In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall NordVPN for Mac completely. Whether you are switching VPN services or just need to make room on your device, getting rid of some applications can sometimes be a bit tricky. But don't worry. I'll walk you through each step to make sure NordVPN is removed cleanly and thoroughly. First, let's begin by heading over to your Mac's settings. Accessing your setting is the initial step in managing the apps on your device, and it's where you'll find all the necessary options to uninstall applications. You can find your settings by clicking on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Settings or System Preferences, depending on your macOS version. Next, once you are in the settings, navigate your way to the Apps section. This is where your installed applications are listed and managed. Look for the Apps and Features menu, which is a crucial part of finding programs installed on your Mac. It might take a moment to load, especially if you have numerous apps installed, but patience goes a long way here. Now, scroll down the list of applications until you spot NordVPN. While applications are typically organized alphabetically, it's still important to carefully scroll through the list to ensure you don't overlook NordVPN. Once you've located it, you're just one step away from removing it from your system. With NordVPN found on the list, you're going to click on it to select the application. This action will reveal more details about the app, including an option to uninstall it. The Uninstall button is your next destination. Go ahead and click on it. This action might prompt you to confirm your choice, often by asking for your administrator password or giving you a warning about deleting the associated files. Don't worry, this is just a standard prompt to ensure you really want to remove the application. After confirming the uninstallation, your system will start the process of removing NordVPN. This might take a few minutes, depending on the speed of your device. It's advised to wait patiently until the process is complete to ensure no leftover files remain. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully uninstalled NordVPN from your Mac. It's a straightforward process, but being thorough ensures your system isn't cluttered with remnants of programs you no longer use. If you needed to uninstall NordVPN to resolve issues or retry an installation, you can now do so without the previous version causing any trouble. Be sure to check out other tips and tutorials on our channel to help you manage your Mac and keep it running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.